Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. Today's job lead is from the big home improvement retailer Lowe's. They are hiring an executive customer relations case manager. Now, this is a very good paying position. This is remote for the United States folks only. They do have certain states that they can hire in. They are right here in the job description, which is linked in the YouTube description box below. I also have all of these states listed in the description box below. But the customer relations case manager is basically responsible for supporting Lowe's executive office and executive officers that hold those higher level positions. You're going to help them in rebuilding relationships and retaining customers who have experienced complex and challenging issues through their interaction with Lowe's. So you are basically someone who is going to try to get the customer to change their perspective and outlook on Lowe's and continue doing business with Lowe's even though they've had a very bad experience. So you will be acting as the liaison between Lowe's executives and the customer themselves, making resolutions for the customers and making sure that's achieved in a timely fashion. They are really looking for someone who can communicate effectively and be confident in high pressure situations. Someone who can analyze the situation and find the root causes and take ownership of the situation and see it to resolution. And this position also requires a deep understanding of enterprise sales and service programs. But if that sounds like something you are interested in, the pay for this position is anywhere from $19.13 an hour all the way up to $31.88 per hour. Of course, pay is always going to be dependent on your location and experience. All right, I do just want to ask that if you have any suggestions of how I can make these job lead videos better for you, please leave any constructive feedback and criticism you have in the comments down below, as I'm always looking to improve and be helpful for you. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.